Have you ever noticed cold hands and feet? Or legs that feel heavy after standing too long? Or maybe you're chasing that lean, vascular look in the gym and want better circulation to show it off.
Either way, it could all come down to your blood flow.
Today we're talking about two powerful plant-based supplements, Pycnogenol and Horse Chestnut, that work together to support blood flow, vein health, and vascular tone.
And the origin of one of them might surprise you. Pycnogenol is a natural extract from the bark of French maritime pine trees.
It's packed with antioxidants called proanthocyanidins, compounds that help protect blood vessels and improve circulation. But here's the cool part. Back in the 1500s, French explorer Jacques Cartier and his crew were stranded in the winter without fresh food. Many were developing scurvy, a serious vitamin C deficiency. Local Iroquois tribes gave them tea made from pine bark and needles. That tea was rich in vitamin C and plant flavonoids, and it helped the crew recover.
Centuries later, scientists began studying those same compounds, which eventually led to the discovery of modern-day pycnogenol.
Now let's talk about horse chestnut. It comes from the seeds of the Aesculus hippocastanum tree. Its active compound is called askin, which helps strengthen vein walls and reduce swelling. For centuries, it's been used across Europe to ease leg discomfort, improve vein tone, and support people with chronic venous insufficiency, the kind of condition that causes achy, heavy legs. So why use these two together? Pycnogenol improves circulation and capillary strength. Horse chestnut supports vein tone and helps reduce fluid buildup. Together, they work like a wellness tag team. They may help reduce symptoms like swelling in the legs, spider veins, or that tired, heavy feeling from poor blood flow. And unlike quick-fix energy boosters, these work at the root, supporting vascular health from the inside out. Now, who might benefit most from this dynamic duo? Let's start with bodybuilders and physique athletes. If you're following the roadmap to a vascular look, that pumped, defined appearance, this combo may help by promoting circulation and capillary health, reducing water retention and swelling, supporting nitric oxide pathways, especially from pycnogenol, of course. It's not a replacement for diet, hydration, and a solid workout, but it can definitely assist. This combo may also be worth considering for anyone focused on long-term vascular or circulatory health. That includes people who sit or stand for long periods, like desk workers, retail staff, or travelers. Experience heavy or swollen legs, want to support healthy blood flow and overall cardiovascular function. If that sounds like you, talk to your doctor or a licensed nutritionist to see if this natural stack fits your routine. If you're thinking about trying either of these, here are a few quick tips. Look for standardized extracts. Pycnogenol as a registered name, and horse chestnut with about 20% askin. Take them with food to reduce any stomach irritation. And if you're pregnant or taking blood thinners, talk to your healthcare provider first. Nature has a way of providing powerful solutions, sometimes in a pine tree, sometimes in a chestnut. If circulation, leg health, or vein support is on your mind, this dynamic duo might be worth exploring. For more science-backed wellness tips, hit subscribe and visit us at bonavaletudo.com.